So today we'll try to understand another chapter of maths, that is average. So before going on to the exercise, let us try to understand the formulas. Some of the important formulas of average are: first of all, average equals to sum of observations by number of observations. So this is the first and the main formula of average. Whatever numbers will be given, those you have to add divided by the whatever observations are there, their particular number you have to write. By applying this formula, we can find out the average. Next comes sum of observations. Suppose we are given average and the number of observations, but you need to find out the sum. In that case, we will apply this formula: sum of observations equals to average into number of observations. The third formula is number of observations. If you need to find out the number of observations, then we will use this formula. It is sum of observations by average. So I think the formulas are clear to you. Let's come on to the exercise now. Exercise 14.1. Question number 1. Find the average of the following. Okay, so I have solved number 1b. So see the observations given. It's 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, 4.5, 5.5 and 6.5. Okay, so what we have to do is, we'll write down the observations, then we'll write down the formula first. That is, average equals to sum of observations by number of observations equals to all the observations we have written as plus. Okay, so we will find out the sum of these observations divided by how many observations are there: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So divided by 6. So after adding all the observations, we get 24.0 by 6. Now 24.0 means 24 itself. So it is 24 by 6 equals to 4. Next is 1c. You see, 2 1 by 3, 2 2.5 and 1 1 by 6. These three observations are given. Now all these are mixed fractions, so I have converted them to improper fractions first. So it becomes 7 by 3, 5 by 2 and 7 by 6. Now we will write down the formula: average equals to sum of observations by number of observations. Now here what we will do is, all these are the observations themselves. So we will write 7 by 3 plus 5 by 2 plus 7 by 6 divided by how many fractions are there: 1, 2, 3. So divided by 3. Now what we will do is, this divided by 3 we will write it as it is, and we will find out the LCM of this 3, 2 and 6. Now LCM of 3, 2 and 6 is 6 itself. So 3 2s are 6, 2 7s are 14, plus 2 3s are 6, 3 5s are 15, plus 6 1s are 6, 1 7s are 7. Okay, so next, after adding all this, it comes to be 36 by 6 divided by 3. Now 36 by 6, obviously we can cancel. So 6 6 are 36. So it becomes 6 by 3. So the ultimate answer is 2. Next comes question number 2. Find the average of first 10 natural numbers, first 5 even numbers, first 7 prime numbers, all the factors of 12. Okay, so at first we will see number 2a. First 10 natural numbers. Now natural numbers, first 10 means from 1 to 10 in serial order: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Alright, so we have written it. So then we have written the formula. We have put the values, we have added all of them, divided by how many numbers are there: 10. So divided by 10. So after adding, it comes out to be 55 by 10. When I divide, it becomes 5.5. Next is number 2b. First 5 even numbers. So it is 2 4 6 8 10. Same thing, I will apply the formula. Then I will put the values. After adding, we will get 30 by 5 gives us 6. Next is first 7 prime numbers. So I have written all the prime numbers: 2 3 5 7 11 13 and 17. First 7, mind it, not more than that or not less than that also. So we'll apply the formula. We'll write it first, then we'll add, we'll divide by 7. We have got 58 by 7, which when I divide, I get 82 by 7. Finally, number 2d, all the factors of 12. Now all the factors of 12, if you are confused, you can do the prime factorization and you can find it out there also. So all the factors are 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. So I'll apply the formula, I put the values, then the ultimate result is 4.66.